Hi guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to swatch 7 eyeshadow palettes for you. Now guys, the palettes that I'm going to swatch for you today are from Wet n Wild, and it is their 10 pan eyeshadow palettes, and I have 7 variants of them guys. Now in Wet n Wild website 8 variants are available, but I'm from country India, and India only 7 variants are available now. Now I don't know that one variant that is not a basic peach, it was available before in my country or not, but I was collecting it for last 2 or 2.5 years, and I have never found that variant in any online stores, and I have searched all online stores and some retail stores also who stock Wet n Wild products, but I have found that nowhere there is any stock of that variant that is not a basic peach, and I really want that variant, then my collection will be complete. And I love Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. These are really affordable and very good quality palettes. Now if you are looking for good eyeshadow palette collection, then definitely you can collect these palettes. Now guys, I have not purchased all these palettes at once. Obviously then it will cost me a lot of money guys. I am collecting this for last 2 or 2.5 years, or maybe more than that, and I have collected all these palettes at the time of sale. Now when I first purchased this palette, the first one that I have purchased is this one. This one is Rose in the Air, and I think it is the most popular one because it has all the basic shades that you need for everyday makeup. It has a lot of variants of brown and also a light and deep pink shades. So with this you can do a lot of basic makeup look. So it is very popular guys. Now guys, when I first picked up this palette, that is Rose in the Air, its price was only $4.99 that time. After that it increased to $5.99, then $6.99, and recently I have picked up 2 palettes of this, the last 2 of my collection, and the price of those 2 are $7.99 in Indian currency. The price has increased so much, but thankfully there is some sale going on guys, so I have picked up these palettes at much lower price, and I have picked up I think all the palettes at the time of sales. So wait for the sales. These palettes are available in all online stores: Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart, Purple. You can go to any online stores and can pick up these palettes guys. These are really very good quality palettes, and some retail stores also stock these palettes, so you can check your nearest drugstores also. Now guys, I have picked up all these palettes from online stores because drugstores generally don't give that much discount, and sometimes I have got even 50% discount. So just wait for the sale, and if you want to collect this palettes guys. And now this eyeshadow palettes comes in this kind of packaging guys, and it is a simple plastic packaging, and the upper lid is quite transparent, so you can see all the colors, and there are 10 pans of eyeshadows. Now there are 2 large pans at the top and the bottom which are for transition colors, and there are 8 small pans for eyelid colors. Now you can use any colors at anywhere. Now these shadows are really very pigmented, and if you use little by little, it will not give you any such fallout also, and blends very well. Now guys, one drawback is that the shimmery shadows of these palettes are not that beaming one. Now if you want to use the shimmery shades of these palettes and want to have a very beaming effect on your eyes, then use a good amount of setting spray on the eyeshadow brush, and also you can close your eyes and do some spray on your eyelids, so it will give much better result. So use good amount of setting spray, especially on the eye brush, then I think you will have a good sparkle effect on your eyes. The matte shades of these palettes are just awesome. They are very pigmented, smooth, blends very well, and thankfully most of the colors are matte. Now guys, if you are not happy with the shimmery shade of these palettes, then you can definitely collect the single pan shimmery shades of Wet n Wild. Now I have 2 of them, and these palettes are like this, very small tiny palettes. Now guys, I use sometimes my highlighter also on my eyes to have some beaming effect. Okay, so you can use your highlighters also. Now the metallic eyeshadow of this 10 pan eyeshadow palettes are not very bad, but they are a little subtle. Some shades are a little okay type, but some are very subtle. So otherwise these palettes are really very nice, guys. I think these swatches will be very helpful for all the people who want to collect these palettes, guys, because these palettes are really affordable and very good quality product. So without further ado, I think I should start the swatches. So let's go. So guys, these are swatches of all the 7 palettes that are available in India currently. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, then give me a like and also do subscribe and hit the bell. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye guys.